So now it's like exactly 2 a.m. So all of us, our meal side, this yellow house, we already wake up. So now we prepare last minute for checking, prepare and eat some breakfast. So literally here, thank God we still have the kettle. This hot water is very important now. This will be my simple breakfast. The roti butterscotch, so I'll bring together with me along the today as well. And then some donation from another friends like Milo. He bring the Milo powder. This will be our bag. Easy to recognize and look very nice. Lock啦，lock啦，lock啦，都搞掂。So now it's 2:48 a.m. So we come to this registration center. We just to like fill in the form for the Surat Akuan, meaning anything happen, contact them. So this is the Maragang Hill entrance. It's like the backstage of the performance. We are changing our attire. So now, this is like like second attire. You see, everyone also second attire.
Taking off. Take off my jacket. See this one. Going for dinner.
Yeah, you see. Oh.
So santai.
You see this girl? Actually we are saunaing Maragang Hill now. You see?
我一开始上来我就全身湿了。
When we begin our hiking, we really want to take off already. Don't have time only. So this is the signal. You're almost there. 大概是到 1.3 km. So now we reach at the campsite. Actually here they have three this kind of thing. Now still 4:15 a.m. very early. We estimated the sunrise should be 1 hour later lah. You can see this one got extra side and then another opposite also extra. So can hide a lot of people lah if really rain. And then opposite, I think still have some drink.
Hi, welcome.
Hey, welcome home. 来。
Hello. Hi. 我们走一个圈了。
This is our earliest hard-boiled egg. Now it's priceless.
哦，多少包一个啊？两包3包的，2包的。
没有排就糟糕，那你敢排？是啊，那个
冇腰骨。
So this is the welcome to Maragang Peak. No, the titik rujukan lah.
你要等2个等。
Actually, it's my like. I really a bit regret I should cut the Batman logo. Good morning. So now it's 6:11 a.m. So we're at the peak at the Maragang Hill. So everyone is taking photo now. Just now you can see the process is a lot of muddy. So be careful. Legit, bit rain also. So luckily now no more rain. We are enjoying the scenery now. Mount Kinabalu shine now. Actually, it's just hiding behind. So at the peak of the Maragang Hill, we have the 3 point. This is the one of the point, and then behind there you can see a lot of people. So later we'll go there. So another point, and then another platform is somewhere around here. So you can just walk 1 round, take your time, and then wait for your sunrise.
OK 啊，对吧？
很自然。
自然。
mau gian lạnh.
So when you come to Maragang Hill, you need a lot of patience and luck. Sometimes you can see a lot of clouds, so it's like you need to wait a few minutes. Maybe the wind will blow, so you get fantastic view. Supposedly now it's sunrise, but we can't see the sun. Where? Don't know. So maybe wait a while.
你会催眠自己的啊 ？OK。
我要做3了吗？啊？哦，不管谁了。 你拍的 forward 给我。
等一下，一
没有够 N 嘛？等一下，给他剪下来。
拍一张先，再下去再拍一张哦。
Nge tuh si Ai.
Oke, sini lagi kamu susun di sini ya.
Ini ya.
Oh ya, iya ada mah.
Tấu chứ.
我上去给他。
没有，就跑上去了。
我怕哦。
来，我们飞过去。
看，
另外一只手。
看这里，看这里。So you see this kind of weather is raining, so we need to go down very fast. Okay, now it's almost 7 AM. We are going down, so our hand is actually very freezing. Just to rushing go down first before maybe another rain coming. So just a little bit of rain, but just must be very careful because the road is very slippery, like including the stair as well. So we down to the bottom already. About 45 minutes going down with heavy rain and muddy. The first thing they come here is hide here. So there's a toilet there. 兰姐，兰姐啊，连鬼这边哈。有冇搞錯啊你哋？連轉接咯。
後面睇唔到，蒙昧咗。
等看鏡頭再哈，好哈，看鏡頭再哈，呀，遠。
Enggak, itu dulu pula. Enggak, itu dulu. Ya, Pak. Ya. 落來。你就來。拜拜。來這樣。So we are now sitting in the 4x4, so we can enjoy the view and drink some rainwater. 我又到了，我们才来的，才到的。我们去哪里？Oh, see his sexy ass. If you're not feeling cold enough, you can sit on the 4x4 and then enjoy. Not like these two stupid guys. So they just want to drive themselves, you know? So we back to our next station, homestay called next station. Yay! So we are survived, and then now no more rain. So it's very fun, and then I highly recommend you can come. It's very suitable for beginner and family.
Okay, so this is the result proof. We are going to Maragang Hill before. Actually now is our first time come to here in daytime. Yesterday actually is already like almost evening, the end. Like it's another view, very fantastic view. It's like all the cloud. So now just take a shower, eat my breakfast, actually just the instant noodle, walk around. After that I might want to take a short nap, still have a lot of time. So here's the view from our homestay outside. So this is very sunny day, no more cloudy. So you can see a lot of mountain.